In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Xero chart of accounts. By the end, you'll know how to add a new account, choose the right settings, and make quick edits to existing accounts so your reports stay clean and meaningful. First, head into Xero and open the accounting menu. From there, choose Chart of Accounts. This is the home base for every account your business uses to track income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and equity. Customizing it helps your reports reflect how you actually operate. To create something new, select Add Account. Start by choosing the account type. This is important because it determines how the account behaves in reports and where it shows up on your balance sheet or profit and loss. Pick the type that best matches the activity you want to track, like an expense for subscriptions or an asset for equipment. Next, enter a code. Think of the code as your quick reference number. Keep it unique and consistent with any numbering system you already use. Grouping similar accounts together with nearby codes can make sorting and reporting much easier later. Add a clear name that your team will instantly recognize. Then include a concise description. This is your opportunity to clarify when the account should be used, which reduces posting errors and keeps your books tidy. You'll see a few optional settings that help with visibility and workflow. If this account is something you want to keep a close eye on, turn on Show on Dashboard Watch List. That way, you can monitor movements from your Xero dashboard without digging into reports. If the account should be available for employee expense claims, enable Show in Expense Claims so claimants can pick it when submitting receipts. And if you want to record payments directly to this account, choose Enable Payments to this account. Use this only when it makes sense for your process, as it allows spend or receive money transactions to post straight to that ledger. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new account is now ready to use in transactions and reports. You can also update existing accounts. Back on the Chart of Accounts page, find and select the account you want to change. Open it, adjust the type, code, name, description, or visibility settings as needed, and review the impact on your reporting. When you're done, hit Save to lock in the changes. That's it. With these steps, you can tailor your chart of accounts to match your business, streamline coding for your team, and surface the numbers that matter most on your dashboard and in your reports.